Upgrading RAM is economical, and you can even do it at home by following tutorials such as this video. If your laptop is running slow, there are chances that adding more RAM can fix most of these issues. All laptop brands differ, so make sure it is possible to upgrade the memory in your laptop. Some laptops may have non-removable or have RAM built right into the motherboard. Once you know you can upgrade the RAM on your laptop, find out how much extra RAM it can take. Most of the latest laptop models should support 16 GB of RAM. Before you open your laptop's back panel, make sure you turn off your laptop and leave it for a few minutes for the power to dissipate. Make sure to ground yourself by touching another metal object, such as a radiator. Most laptop models differ, so be sure to check your user guide on how to open your laptop safely. Once you've opened the back, locate the RAM module. If you don't have an extra RAM slot, you can remove the existing RAM and replace it with a higher capacity RAM. Removing the old RAM is easy, just press the clips which holds the RAM in place. Gently remove the RAM outside without touching the metal connectors. In order to add your new RAM module, align it properly near its slot and gently press the RAM at an angle of 45 degrees until you hear a click sound. Push the RAM downwards until it gets locked within the clips. Once you turn on your laptop, it should automatically detect the new RAM module. Upgrading RAM should make your laptop perform faster, and it should add a few years to it.